Hello ladies and gentlemen. It's been a while since I did a video. That's because I hadn't had any work lately. Now, I have a new client, and he said every time he have his laptop on for like 5 minutes it freezes up. And based on what he was telling me, it's like, let's just see here. Okay, it comes on and everything, that's good. Real good. And let's click install. I already know what it is because I used the software to determine what the problem was. Long story short, he would need a new hard drive because it's at a critical state right now. And yes, it does freezes up. Now, I did some searching online and I contacted him. Okay, I found out the problem was you need a new hard drive, yada yada yada. He gave me the okay. I'm waiting for him to drop off a package so I can go ahead and order it, because I have been burned buying parts with my own money, and then in the long run they didn't want to pay me for the parts and labor. So he's paying me for the part right now, and when I'm done he's going to pay me for my labor charge, what I'm charging him. So for a complete reinstallation with a new hard drive, then I would go out my way to get the old part, all his pictures, documents, music and everything. I would bag everything up and transfer it over to his new hard drive once I'm finished doing an installation, all the updates. He wants Microsoft Office back in here, that's no problem. And that's pretty much it. He should be here within the next couple of hours. Tune in to next time. This is just a sneak peek, people. As you can see, it's still, it should have been loaded up. It has Windows Vista in here, and I'm gonna reinstall Vista to the new hard drive and everything. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed my new sneak peek. Bye for now. Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech. And basically what this is a tutorial about replacing the old hard drive, which has gone bad. It's in a critical state. And as you can see, I just came from Micro Center with a brand new hard drive. So first thing first, we're going to take out the power supply. Always get this out the way. And we have to remove the hard drive, which is, let me guess, it's not over here, it's got to be right here. Of course. Who did you think I was? Somebody who don't know what they're doing? Take this out just like this here, and basically Get my sharp knife, precision insert, cut. Pull out the brand new hard drive actually. As you can see, it's coming nice casing management. Okay. And we're gonna tear this off like this here. But before that, alright. Now, it doesn't make no sense to replace it with the same hard drive that came with it. We're going to do a little bit better. And the reason for that is, this is a 250 gig hard drive, and we're going to replace it with a 500 gig hard drive. And the reason for that is 500 gig is double the space. Okay. Slide this board up in here like this. Uh-oh. And that was pretty simple. Now all we have to do is put in the battery pack, and that goes just like this here. I should bite this. This is poison. I want to kill myself. I'm just kidding, people. Here's all the warranties for the hard drive. Put this back up in here. Oh, maybe I'm moving a little bit too fast for myself, people. And that's it. Practically all I have to do is load in an operating system with a genuine copy of Windows 7 Professional 64-bit. This is my battery charger for to record my camera products, like my videos and whatever. And that's pretty much it, folks. This is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech. I'll see you guys later now. Bye for now.